the moment we've all been waiting for. Drum roll, please. Oh, shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Peyton, and I thought it was time for a hair video, but I wanted to switch it up before I got into my styles again, and that's what brings us here today. It's my first time doing this. No, it's my second time doing this. The last time I did this was probably 2 years ago. That was the last time I bleached my hair. That's why I think I'm able to do it now. So yeah, I've had some damage to my locks, but I've done some things that have caused my locks to just be unhealthy. And today, you can tell by the video what we're gonna be doing, and I'm nervous. I'm scared. I don't know what to expect. I don't know what is about to happen, but I'm gonna just jump right into the video because I feel like the more I talk, the more I'm gonna talk myself out of it. So yeah, I'm gonna be bleaching my hair. We're gonna be bleaching my hair. So I had faux locks in, and the faux locks that I had in, they were so freaking cute. I love the color, and I've been obsessed with the color since I took it out of my hair. So I was like, well, I might as well. So we're here. I did a hot oil treatment on my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna pray for the best. I'm not a, what is it, beautician? That's not what I am. I'm not that. I'm not a loctician, not a beautician. I'm not none of that. I'm not an esthetician. I don't do none of that stuff. I do everything on my own, in my room, by myself. And that's just that. So, you know, if anything happens, I can't get mad at nobody but myself. That's why I choose to do that. And oh, I shouldn't be scratching my scalp. I'm just nervous. I'm nervous. Okay, I'm gonna just jump right into it. So what you're going to need is, I got BW2. Got this from my local beauty supply store. The last time I've done this, it was some years ago. Last time I've done this, it was probably, I think I did the one up from 2, the powder that is up from 2. So I don't know. I did got this powder. I have this developer. This is from My Bathroom. It's the same brand, Pure White Cream Developer. This is a 40 volume, I guess, because the security thing is right here. This has been in my house, so yeah, my little brother, he tried to color his locks as well. I have my bowl, and then I have my brush. So let's get into it. Oh, I also have gloves. I have these black gloves, but I'm not sure if these been used or not. Why would they still be here if they've been used? But anyway, I don't know if they've been used or not. So I have these gloves as well. So let's just get right into it. Have a towel. Preferably get an old towel. You know, as black folk, you got your new towels, your newer towels, and your old towels that you don't really care about. So I'm just putting this over my lap. I don't want bleach to get on my body and stuff. And then I also have scrunchies, and the scrunchies are just like all down here in my hair bin. So I'm gonna be bending down, getting those, and so forth and so forth. So first, I'm going to put on the gloves. If I can get them on. I would section my hair, but I don't even think I have enough scrunchies for that, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna section off the section that I'm doing at that moment, and then once I'm doing that, once I'm done doing that section, I'm gonna take it out and then go to the next one, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna start off with the front. Just put that right there in that section. as you can tell by the section, I'm not a professional. So please, if anything goes wrong, I might still put this out. I might not, depending on what happens. Just you know, if I'm saying stuff wrong, that's okay. Don't come for my neck. I don't have time for that. I already established that this isn't my profession, so don't. This isn't the developer. The powder comes with like this little scoop thing right here. And make sure you're also in a well ventilated area. I'm actually about to open my windows, so give me 1 second. My windows are open. We're gonna open this powder. Okay. Sorry, I got a headache already. I'm just going to, I didn't even scoop it all the way to the top. I'm just gonna get like 2 scoops. And then I'm gonna do 3 because I have a lot of hair. Okay, so time for the developer. Whew. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Like, I'm really nervous. I don't think you'll understand. Too late to turn back now. Spent my money on it. I'm going to use this end of the brush to stir it, mix it all up. And if it's, you want it more so on like a creamy consistency. You don't want it to be clumpy like this. You see, you want it to have a creamy consistency. So I'm trying to just stir this up, and then I'm gonna add more developer. Okay, so it's still kind of thick. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, and that should be good. Okay. So, and this is the consistency that you want. I hope I'm getting it. I just don't want it to spill. So, let's just go into town. I watched those videos. I don't know his name. It's like Brad something, or like B. I know the initials are BM. That's all I know. And he does like reaction videos to people coloring their hair and stuff because he's a professional. So, you know, I always hear him say like, you want to do your roots last because that's gonna activate the fastest. I guess that's the proper term. I don't know, but we're just gonna go for it. Okay, so disclaimer. I know y'all are probably thinking, what in the world? Why is she bleaching her hair in her room, like instead of the bathroom? Well, my bathroom is small. There are no windows, and I didn't want bleach fumes running throughout the entire house and everybody being pissed at me, so I just did it in my room. But anyway, I took out the sections. I said, forget the sections, forget sectioning my hair, forget doing my roots last. Oh my gosh, I'm really just a mess. Like, I be all over the place. My mind runs at 1,000 miles per hour, but instead of per hour, per second. Like, I'm crazy, honestly. So if you're watching this and you're listening to me, do better than me, please. Like, do better than me. Section your hair, do your roots last. You're always supposed to do your ends first and then your roots last. So Brad Mondo, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm crazy. I'm a lunatic. I got rid of all the sections and I just started slapping bleach everywhere. So when you have sections, you like, it's going to be even, and the bleach is going to evenly go throughout your hair, evenly bleach your hair, lighten it. So my hair obviously wasn't even when I rinsed all the bleach out, but at the end of the day, I still love the color of my hair, so it didn't bother me, honestly, truthfully speaking. And like I said, like, I have locks, so I didn't really I honestly wasn't looking for the super neat blonde locks, if you understand what I'm saying. So the way my hair turned out, it was perfect for me. May not be perfect for others, but this is the gist of how to achieve that perfect blonde that you're looking for. So I was running out of product, to be honest. I have a lot of hair. So if you have locks and you're trying to bleach your entire head and you have sister locks, maybe, I'm not sure about traditional locks, but if you have a lot of locks, I do recommend getting 2 of the products. So getting 2 containers of powder and then 2 bottles of developer. It was late when I decided to do this, so of course the stores are closed, and basically I was just trying to make do with what I had. So I was putting bleach just all over the place so that way I can get a majority of bleach in areas that were majority black. And basically my mindset was that if I were to put bleach in majority of these areas, and once I trap the heat inside, then the bleach would transfer from one lock to the other. And that was basically my mindset and how I was processing everything. May have not been the smartest thing to do, because like I said, it wasn't even, but that's what worked for me. So yeah. I just felt the need to say this one more time for the people that are in the back. I am not a professional, okay? Don't come for me. I ain't sent for you. Just know I did what needed to be done, and that's it. That's all. Thank you very much. So, yeah. After putting the bleach all in my hair, I let the bleach sit for an hour. Once I went back in with the second round of bleach, I didn't use a lot. I didn't bleach my whole head again. But when I went in with the second round, I only left it in for 20 minutes. And I did put another plastic bag over my head to trap in all of the heat. So as you can see, this is the color that I really wanted. I was focusing on. I went back in with the second round of bleach, but only at the roots in the front. You see that little black patch, and then some ends in the back. I didn't do my whole head again. I wanted to give my hair a break. But after rinsing that second round of bleach out, I did wash my hair with Shimmer Lights shampoo and conditioner. And yeah, that basically helped me get rid of the gold tone in my hair in some parts. And that's when I achieved my final look, and you'll see that in just a second. Alright, the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, I've seen it already, but y'all haven't, so right into business. Drum roll, please. I love it. I absolutely love it. I mean, there's really not much for me to say. Like, I love it. So I'm geeking, high key geeking. Obviously, I need to do my hair. New growth was crazy, but other than that, honey, I'd also, okay, so as you could tell from the video, I didn't section my hair, and I kind of should have, but I didn't. So it is what it is. But anyway, so like the locks in the back, right? They have like that black purple hue to it, for real. And some are like golden on the end still a little bit. And then at my roots in the front, they're like white. And then right here, they're like gray, purple. My hair is just like all over the place with colors. So I was thinking about getting like a color, not like bleach, but like a color to make everything the same, to make my hair one color. But I don't know, because I actually like really like it like this. So it really just depends on how I feel when I wake up in the morning, honestly, truthfully speaking. But right now, I do know that I love it. Yeah, I had no breakage, and I had like hair coming out, but I also just took out the faux locks. So the faux locks, when I took those out, I had like a lot of blonde strands in my hair from the faux locks, and I could tell the difference between the faux locks and my real hair. So you know what I mean? Like, I knew it wasn't my hair. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend. I lied. I don't recommend it. Go to a professional. But for me, 10 out of 10 recommend. Like, I look good, so I'm happy. I tried doing a TikTok. I don't think I'm gonna go viral, but you know, it's cute or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed me bleaching my hair. Come with me on this journey to bleach my hair. And yeah, I just love it. I keep looking at myself in my mirror because I'm just really excited. And yeah, my hair is actually really soft, by the way. I meant to add that. It's really soft. For now, I'll do an update in the morning when it officially dries or whatever. But yeah, I just love my hair. I hope you guys love it. If you don't, oh well. I love it, so you know, that's all that matters. And I hope to catch you guys on the next video. I got some styles coming up, and yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe, share with your aunties, uncles, mothers, fathers, grandmothers, grandfathers, nephew, nieces, cousins, brothers, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend, all the whole nine, everybody, period. Okay, comment in the comment section below what you think, if you like it, if you don't like it, you know, give me some recommendations, because I don't really know what I'm doing for real. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.